So today we're going to be doing a quick walkthrough of this Trifold Folio. It measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 1 inch, so stay tuned. Hey and howdy everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this Trifold Folio. It measures 8.5 by 8.5 by 1 inch, and I used the Ocean Blue collection from Graphic 45. So this is just the 8 by 8 paper pad. I didn't have any other pieces of the collection, so let's go ahead and dive in. The cover is simple, but I really love how this turned out. So this Seize the Day was just a cut apart, and I backed it with some gold glitter cardstock. And then I used a frame from Prima and some Prima flowers to just kind of highlight it all. And then the back is just pretty plain. So the inside front cover on the left and the inside cover on the right are both pretty much the same. So they have this little waterfall feature. It is magnetized closed. And then some cut aparts that are matted on some craft cardstock and then some blue cardstock. And so see, the one on the right is pretty much exactly the same. They just have some different cut aparts. But the waterfall feature is magnetized closed. So I have 2 pages, one on each spine, and each of them are the same. So we have this little envelope with some little tags and photo mats in it with a cut apart on it, and then it opens up. It is magnetized, and it just has these nice big pages for matting your photos. And then each of them have these 2 pockets. And they just have these large photo mats tucked into each one. So when you flip it over, you have this little half page with a big page for photo mats. And then this is a little pocket with some tags that I made using some of the cut parts from the collection. And I just matted them on some craft cardstock. And then on the other side, on the right spine, we have the same as we had on the left spine. So we have this little envelope and some tags and a photo mat with just a little cut apart from the collection on the envelope. And then it opens up and you have these 2 pages, 2 large pages for photo mats again, and it is magnetized. And then on the other side of that page, you have the same thing, a large page for photo mats, and then a small little tuck pocket that have these little tags in it made using the cut aparts. And then you just have the main page on the back of it that is also a very large photo mat. And then on the right side, you also have the 2 pockets with the large photo mats as well. So it's pretty simple, but it has quite a bit of real estate, and I really, really love how this one turned out. I love the cover, and the paper was just, I wasn't sure if I would like it being just, the 2 colors, but I love this collection. It ended up being absolutely beautiful. So thanks for watching, everyone, and as usual, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button.